our superpower, in my mind, is our ability to understand the business problem and be able to leverage the technology stack that that client already has, in most cases, in their IT shop already, and be able to marry these two together to receive or achieve that business outcome. And being able to sit between those two worlds and talk business to a techie and techie to the business in a way that they collectively understand is a enabling capability that not just EY, but our automation team does exceptionally well. And you see it in the makeup of our teams. You would expect an automation team to be largely developers. We are 60% functional capability people within our practice. So more than half of our people are actual functional business people who understand process, environment, context, these sort of things, as opposed to straight up hardcore coders. And obviously that certainly helps, given the fact that Automation Anywhere's platform is so easy to leverage. We don't need pro coders from start to finish. So we really can change the business outcomes by focusing the business and leveraging the technology effectively. And that's a big bit of white space between a technology-led use case and a full-blown transformation. So micro-transformation sits in between the two. And it's a methodological approach to enable us to be able to bring these different technologies together to address a client agenda. And it's built around the premise that in any one process that you have, there are invariably between 3 to 5 core key performance indicators or metrics that will determine or ascertain whether that process is working well and achieving its outcomes. So with micro-transformation, we hone in on those 3 to 5 metrics. And we look at the end-to-end life cycle and say, what do we need to do in order to move that metric or improve it by 30 to 50%? So we're not talking small micro shifts. We're talking about systemic macro shifts in a key KPI. And then we ascertain across those different touch points, what is the combined technological and process changes required to effect that kind of transformation? So it's really powerful because you're not having to rip the whole process out. You're zoning in on the pain points that are blocking those KPIs from coming out. And we use a combination of technologies, applying solution architects in that mix to kind of say, how do we blend this together to address those outcomes and monitor the KPI shift to the end? So although it's a methodological drive behind it as a solution, it's incredibly powerful because it's underpinned by these combined automation and digital technologies that bring it to life in the end.
Thank you for visiting the Automation Anywhere YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button and learn how to build your own digital workforce with our automation success platform. Get your free demo today at automationanywhere.com.